and gentlemen, my name is Dr. Joan Namayanja. I'm a dental surgeon at Jubilee Dental Clinic. I've been serving with Dr. Magara for 8 years now, and I have to say it's been a very good experience. Still running, and I'm grateful for the job that I have here. My job here today is to tell you about the role of brushing, especially at night. Growing up, we've been told that brushing our teeth in the morning is very important, and I have to agree with you, it is very, very important. However, we have been misguided by the concepts that we have grown to believe are the right ones. You will have to accept that nobody wants to go out in public when they haven't brushed, because we have that feeling of I'm not fresh, and indeed you're not, but you're also worried that my breath may be funny. It's just not ethical to go out there with teeth that were not brushed. But I'm also here to also tell you that we need to brush at night. For some of us who have been to the dentist, we now know the importance of brushing our teeth at night, and we also know why it is more important to brush at night than in the morning, and I'm going to explain why. When you eat your food at night, your dinner or your supper or any last meal that you have before you go to bed, you have your teeth stuck with food, okay? So if you don't brush, the food is going to be there the whole night. There are what we call the normal flora, which are the bacteria and some viruses and a few fungi that naturally stay in our mouth, and they live in a balance in such a way that if this balance is shifted, they'll either cause disease or there will be other problems in our mouth. So God created them in such a way that with that balance, our mouth is perfectly okay. However, if you nurture this bacteria, if you feed them, then they are going to outgrow their numbers. They are going to change the scale. They are going to be more than they are needed in this mouth, and then you'll have a shift in the dynamics of your mouth. That's when the tooth cavities come in. So if you go to bed with the food on your teeth, then you're feeding these bacteria. They will come, eat on that food, and then later eat on the teeth, causing tooth cavities. And also the other important thing to note is that when you go to bed, the body produces less saliva. There's less swallowing. All the reflexes are down. You're sleeping, okay? The rest system in your body is activated. That means that the saliva, the action of swallowing is less, which also reduces on the mechanical washing of your teeth, because saliva helps us clean our teeth on the day-to-day activities. Now, when you go to bed and there's less saliva, there's less swallowing, that means the food is stuck on your teeth for longer periods of time, giving more time for these germs to eat on your teeth and then cause cavities. So it's very, very important for you to brush your teeth at night, because when you take off that food, there's nothing to feed this bacteria, there are no cavities in your mouth, and you're in a better place than someone who only brushes in the morning. Just like I said, brushing at night and in the morning are very key, but if you have to choose which time to brush, then you'd rather choose the night than the morning. A person who brushes during the night, who brushes at night before bed, has less tooth cavities and also has a fresher smell than someone who does not brush at night. Because when the food is not in the mouth, there's nothing to produce that bad smell in your mouth. However, if you sleep with the food, you wake up with a bad smell, and then you have to eradicate that in the morning before you go to work. So it's very important for us to brush our teeth in the morning, very important for us to brush our teeth at night, but it is more important to brush at night. Please keep that in mind the next time you go to the bathroom to brush your teeth. Thank you. For more information, please visit us at the different branches: Ntinda branch, Kololo branch, which is our main branch, Entebbe, and also Kigali in Rwanda. Please come seek more information from the various doctors that work at the clinic. We'd like to congratulate Jubilee Dental Clinic and Dr. Magara, our CEO, for providing the services to our people for 30 years. It's our 30th anniversary. It's a great achievement for our clinic, and we are grateful. Would love to celebrate with you, our clients. Please come in for very good and very comprehensive checkups. Thank you.